Hey guys, I got some big news. I recently got my first AR for Airsoft, and it's standing right in front of me. I'm about to unbox it for the first time, and you guys get to see it. So here it is, Airsoft. It's a CM16 Raider. Around 400 FPS. It's a AEG, and that's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So here it is, and I'm ready to unbox it. It's hard to do with one hand. Move it over. Lid, and here the CM16 Raider. There it is. The magazine is it is a high cap. I mean, my bad. And how much does it hold? Probably around 350 rounds. It's a high cap, and it's an M4 magazine. So, and it has the iconic barrel right there. It has safety and semi and full auto, and it has an adjustable stock. Just push down on this. I can't do it right now because it's in the box. But yeah, that's it. This is a CM16 Raider. I'm going to be doing some test shots with it. Here's what it looks like up close. It's on safety. Oh, what the? Wind. High caps. I need a mid cap. This looks like up close.